Just pulled this thing into the shop. I tried to get it running this year, but I couldn't. I didn't notice that water had got into the redneck gas can. Melting snow or rain or whatever has found its way in there. So when I tried to start it, it pumped a whole lot of water into the fuel injection system, rails, pipes, injectors, everything. We'll leave a rag on there from now on to absorb some of the rain. After lots of blowing and cursing, unhooking all the lines, I got her all blasted out. So now I'm going to see if it starts. One of the best looking cars on the farm. It's just like a Saturn. Still has its spring chicken good looks after all these years since 1982. Well, that's just because Toyotas can never die. They just get more character. Or Toyota can buy your truck back if it's got a rusted out broken frame and pay you twice as much money so they can look good. Here we go. It is sure a messy car. The floor is falling through. Oh, there's spider webs on my windshield. And a little bit of brakes. Throttle's not stuck. Redneck key. Oh, that fuel pump sounds good. Control still works. Oh yes! Awesome! I love Toyotas. Holy crap! For a test drive. My Toyota died. Oh, tranny works. Hey buddy, you ready to go? Working real good. Oh, I love my Toyotas. Pimp my ride style bodywork. You know, this car actually kicked that car in a race. That car wouldn't have a chance. Now let's go for a longer cruise. Even got moss on my door and rust. Oh, but the mirror still works. You can tell it's a Cressida.